managing losing streaks. So as a trader, there's no way you want to, no matter the system you're using, you are going to hit losing streaks. It's a normal thing. So how do you get out of losing streak is the reason for this video. So I have a template here and I'm going to show you how to get out of losing streaks. So let's say you take your first trade. Let me get my highlighter. Your first trade here, you took an L on your first trade. Your second trade, you took another L on your second trade. You take your third trade, you took another L. You take your fourth trade, you took another L, which is very normal, very common in the market. So how do you deal with all of this? You can see from here, I wrote trade 1, you took 1% of risk in your account, and you're risking $100 or £100 for this trade, and you took a loss. Your second trade, you took $100 loss. Your third trade, you have to come down on your risk. Now you're risking 0.5% just to get back in your reading in due time. Now, on this particular trade, you lose 0.5%, that is $50, instead of the original $100 you have been losing. On your fourth trade, you took another L. You're still risking 0.5 to help you mitigate the original trade you're losing, which was like, let's say $100. Now you're risking $50 and you lose $50. Now, on your fifth trade, you found a winner. And with this winner, you're risking $50 to make $100, which is a 1 to 2, and you're able to get $100 out of the market. On your sixth trade, you stumble on another winner, and you're able to risk $50 to make $100, and now you make $100 back. So if you notice, out of the 6 trades you have taken, you made 2 winners and 4 losers. But these 2 winners you made is able to cover up for 2 of your ginormous trades, which were the 1% trade you originally took. Now on your 7th trade, you took another L, still risking 0.5 because you're not back in your reading fully. Now you lose another $50. On your 8th trade, you took a win, still risking 0.5, and you make $100. Now you're being able to cut back on your losers enough, because out of the 8th trade you have taken 3 winners and 5 losers, and out of those 3 winners you made $300, and out of the 5 losers you lost $350. So you just have $50 to recover from. Now for me, on this 9th trade, I'm going to take a 1% risk because I'm confident that my losing streak is out of the way. So let's say on the 9th trade, it happens, I do win that trade, risking 1%. Now I make $200 back or £200 back. Now, what does that insinuate? I'm now up £150. I've been able to get myself out of the losing streak. That is how to get yourself out of the losing streak in the market. That's how to manage losing streaks in the market. So if you're on a losing streak, let's say you take your first trade, your second trade, your third trade, and you find yourself consistently in a losing streak, the best way to do is to reduce your risk, cut down on the percentage you're trading, and keep trading your edge till you're able to get back out of the losing streak. Then you can go back into the percentage you were originally trading. So that's how to get out of the losing streak. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.